Hi, I'm artist Terry Meyer, and today I'll be demonstrating how to sculpt a Christmas cow ornament using Laguna Clay EM100. As inspiration, I'm using an oil painting of Sandy, whom I created a painting of last Christmas. The first thing I do is create a drawing to establish the structure of my project. I place it on plastic over a hard surface and rough in the design with clay, noting all the crucial elements such as the hat, ears, eyes, and snout. Once I have those established, I refine the sculpture, giving it dimension and texture. You can make this out of any type of clay, such as air dry, Sculpey, or Morton Salt Play-Doh clay. In this demonstration, I used a clay that must be kiln fired. Once fired, it can be glazed, varnished, or painted. I decided to paint mine with oil paint. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have success in your project.